Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. So today we're going to be making a double circle top. So this is what we're going to be making today. The measurement we need for this tutorial are the upper bust measurement and the length of the top. So to get the upper bust measurement, I will take it like this. There is no need of taking about 6 inches away. This is the off shoulder. So I will take the upper bust measurement. For my client, the person I'm making it for, her upper bust measurement is 36 inches. The upper measurement is 6 inches from the shoulder up here. So this is the 6 inches. I will use it to cut out the stripe. And please, if this is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe, like and share my video. And I have good news for you guys. I've opened a Facebook group where we can send videos, where we can learn together, because some of you asked me to open a Facebook group. Yes, I've done that. I opened a Facebook group a few weeks ago. Any video I'll make, I'll post it there. We can be making any tutorial we want to make there. In case you make any style, you can post it to my Facebook group. The name of the Facebook group is Cynthia's Fashion House. So try and check it out and join the group. So I will see you guys on my next one. So let's get to it. So I'm using African print for the tutorial. So I'll cut out the first layer before cutting out the longer one. So I'm going to be using roughly 2 yards of fabric for this tutorial, but not really up to 2 yards fabric. So I'll fold my fabric into 2. We're cutting it out like a circle, then I'll fold it again. It's folded into 4. Shorter length, I will make it 10 inches. Then I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance, that is 11 inches. The upper bust measurement I'm working with is 36 inches. So 36 divided by 6.28 is 5.7. So I'm going to take 5.7 right from here. I'd rather round it to 6 inches. So I'll round it to 6 inches. Then on this side, I will take 6 inches. So this is the 6 inches and this side 6 inches. So I'm making a straight line here, so I'm not curving it. From here, I will take my length measurement. The short one, I'm taking 10 inches for the length. Then I'll add half inch sewing allowance, that is 10.5 inches. So right from this place, I marked 6 inches. I'm going to take it round. Just take it round. So I'll just connect the lines together. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. I'm cutting out the length first. Cutting out the circumference. So I have exactly 18 inches on this side and 18 inches on the other side. That is 36 inches for the over bust measurement or upper bust measurement. It's just a full flare, so I didn't add a sewing allowance to the side because I'm not going to be joining the sides. So this is 10 inches or 10.5 inches. I'm going to use this one to cut out the longer part. So I'm using this to cut out the long one. So my fabric is folded into 4. I'll place this here. So right from here, I will take my measurement, the longer part. So I'm making it 18 inches, 17 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance because I'll be hemming it here and hemming it at the bottom. So I will just take it around, 18 inches around. I'll take 18 inches round and cut it out. So I finished cutting it out. This is the long one and this is the short one. And I cut out about 13 inches stripe. Remember, we started this right from the over bust measurements. From shoulder to upper bust measurement is 6 inches. So to get the stripe, I'm going to cut out 6 inches on the front side and 6 inches at the back side. So 6 plus 6 is 12 inches, and I'll be adding 1 inch for sewing allowance, that is 13 inches. I'm going to be cutting out 13 inches for the stripe. So this will be for one side, and I will cut 13 inches for the other side also. And the wideness of the stripe is I cut out 2.5 inches. That's the wideness, and the length is 13. So I will sew it. Take ½ inch on this side. Take ½ inch on this side and bring them together like so. So I will sew this and then cut the other side again. So what we're going to do is to tuck this inside, because this is the longer part. I will tuck the shorter part inside. I've already sewn the stripe, so I'll look for the midpoint. So the midpoint should be 9 inches. I'll take 9 inches. Okay, this is the midpoint. From the midpoint, I will mark 4.5 inches here. So I'm just thinking of where to add this stripe. Then 4.5 inches from this midpoint also, right from this side also, I will mark 4.5 inches on this side. So I will put this one here. This is the first one, this is the second one. I will take ½ inch on this side and take ½ inch on this side and tuck this inside like so. I will sew the ½ inch. On this side, I'll take it to the back side, take ½ inch here and take ½ inch here, and put the stripe. This is one side, and I will come to this side. So I will open it up. This is the first layer, this is the second one. So in between both, in between the first and the second one, I will put the stripe inside, fold this ½ inch and fold this ½ inch like so. This ½ inch for the longer layer and the ½ inch on this side, they are facing each other. So I'll now put the stripe in between the first and the second layer. So now I'll pin it and take it to the back side. Do the same thing to the back. I'll turn the ½ inch, turn it to this side and pin them together. So I'll go ahead and make sure I sew everything together, the ½ inch. The ½ inch, I just pin everything around the neckline. I'll make sure I sew everything together. I'll take this side ½ inch or so. So I will sew it like that around the neckline. So this is the finished look of the top. This is the upper layer and this is the down layer. This is a very simple style. Within 20 minutes you can make this style. So thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. And like I said earlier, we have a Facebook group. You can join us there at Cynthia's Fashions House. And there's anything you want us to do, you can post it there. If there's any style you make, you can send it there just to encourage other people. Cynthia's Fashion House. Please try and join us up there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.